Uninterrupted is a 2016 Lagoon 450F. She's currently located at Nanny Cay in the British Virgin Islands. This Lagoon 450F has been extremely well maintained by a professional captain and crew. The captain and chef currently operate the vessel as a boutique, crude charter experience. Many of her features and equipment have been recently updated. The extensive list includes a new generator, recent refrigeration, new batteries and a new mainsail. As she operated for crude charters, all of her safety equipment has been maintained and inspected annually. She boasts all of the toys you could ask for in a 450F and includes a high-output Rainman water maker. As you can see, the interior of the vessel shows extremely well. It looks in fact far better than many newer models, especially in the typical high-wear areas. This is a testament to the care and attention this owner-operator crew have paid to the boat. You'll find spare equipment for nearly every system on board, ensuring the vessel's readiness to continue crude charter operation or long-distance voyaging by a new private owner. To see the full detailed listing, please click the link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. We welcome your thoughts and hope to hear from you soon.